K.I.S.S Daily Lesson 406，今天是2020年8月2号星期日3点30分。今天我们来讲解一下8、9月口语预测难题 Cooking 美国小哥哥做饭中的地道表达。今天这一节课是我们俩昨天早上起来做饭的时候，然后拍了一个小视频，本来想传给我们的父母的，然后突然间发现说，里边有一些词汇也可以帮助你们。其实我也学到了很多比较地道的表达，所以我们就想和大家去分享一下。所以因为不是我们计划中的一个 daily lesson，所以有可能后边的视频的质量都不是特别好，是我录的。然后如果你们喜欢这种形式，用生活场景的形式去学一些口语的地道表达的话呢，你们可以在微信和 YouTube 下面留言，我们下周还会给你们做一个。然后关于口语有哪一个话题你觉得很难，也可以留言，我们下周就是做你们说那个话题。然后关注我们的方式是 YouTube K.I.S.S.com， 你会学习听说读写的保分87778778 4个7的技能和模板，比如说写作1个月保7分的6个技能3个模板，还有口语1个月保8分，尤其是4个万能模板，以及14天8分我自己用的一套 Part 2的1个万能故事链。然后 K.I.S.S.com 的7天免费课程的话是下周3之前就会全部都传到新的网站上面去，你现在先注册，因为你会学习如何把保分技能用对，并且是用在任何题目。我们是搭配直播的，现在注册同学的话，下周的时候会收到一个邮件，告诉你直播课的注册链接，然后我们会做一系列的就是一些奖励活动。然后小测验是关于今天这节课的小测验，我们先来测试你一下8、9月份的口语预测题的 Part 1。会考关于 cooking 的题，比如说 What dish are you best at cooking？ 你最擅长做的一道菜是什么？或者是说你有一个 cooking 的 experience。我自己感觉的话，关于做饭的话，我没有很多动词，不知道怎么去比较准确的去表达一些动词，所以今天这个视频希望可以帮到你，你也可以去学到说，原来外国人在描述做饭的时候没有那么多高大上词，都是很简单的。然后呢，今天这节课上完之后的话，你至少可以去积累一个关于做饭的词组，比如说搅拌，就是把这两个东西搅在一起，就是把那个水和这个东西搅在一起是怎么说的，或者把什么什么东西倒进去怎么说。然后呢，还有一个就是搅碎这个 oats， 我们俩做了一个 oats 粥啊，然后把什么什么什么放进去。然后还有一个就是把什么什么放进去，这个并不是一个特别难的，上了。还有一个是不稀不稠的粥，这个是一个特别的地道表达，但是用的那个词组形容词很简单，你们猜猜是什么呢？然后 YouTube 留言的问题就是，第一个问题是，如果你觉得这个形式对你有帮助的话，还想看更多类似的视频，然后告诉我们就可以了，也可以直接在微信下面告诉我。然后呢，如果有能力的同学的话，挑一个词组造一个句子，我跟小哥哥都会给你们回复的。然后还有一个就是，如果再有能力的学生，可以想办法用那个词组回答一下这2个题中的任何一个，我自己也都会有回复的。然后口语预测题的下载是 YouTube 视频的底部的资料包和微信后台回复资料包3个字。然后现在你们就可以看视频吧。提前说一句，我觉得我把它照的还是挺帅的。
This is how we make oats. We blended the oats. And this is cinnamon water. Oh, you put the cinnamon first.
Yes.
Water is very hot. Look. Highest is 9. Ah. I thought we put oats first, then we add cinnamon, then we taste.
It's easier to put the cinnamon water first, so it mix better.
Oh. Okay. And then
Bring it to a boil and then
we put the soy milk in the oats already?
I put soy milk and I mix it with the oats
Oh,
to give it so the oats wouldn't be
soy milk. I wonder mom will go to Taobao to find a
because
brand.
the oats are thick, right? But
Oh,
we like the oats like a grit, like your
Oh.
porridge that you have, the Chinese porridge,
okay.
right?
Yes,
The
Chinese
porridge
porridge.
is more grinded up.
Yes.
So I take it and I put some in here,
Oh, put something in there.
and then I'll add a little bit of soy milk because you said it's sweet, and I
Yes.
figured we could use it for something,
Yes.
right?
Mm.
Just a little bit.
So this will be daily lesson tomorrow.
What?
This will be WeChat version daily lesson tomorrow. Something fun
Say
on
what?
something fun on Sunday.
Fun on Sunday.
Yeah, it's not officially learning something.
I
Just
got you.
something fun on Sunday to relax a little bit. before they start the 7 days course. So this is good because this is a lot of protein in it.
And it's good for a couple of days.
Oh yes, we usually put it in the fridge
Yeah, you can contain it in the fridge.
for 3 to 4 days. So it's good for students.
Look at it.
If they cook this,
I see.
right, they have snacks with them.
Yeah, and then there's raisins in there. And now that that's in there,
Raisins?
now that it's in there, I'll put some pumpkin seeds. Yeah.
Yes. That's brain food.
Grapefruit.
They will be smarter.
Always nice.
They are already smart.
And then some walnuts.
Some walnuts. That's brain food.
Think about it's this.
It's
It
still
looks-
8. It's still 8.
Yeah, it hasn't boiled yet. This kind of looks like the brain.
Oh,
The,
yes.
The pineal gland.
Yes. Yes. It looks like brain. Chinese
pineal
call
gland.
it
The pineal gland.
pineal
The
gland.
pineal gland.
Pineal gland.
Yeah.
We need the subtitle for them.
Pineal gland.
Pineal
I have no
gland.
idea why I'm saying that.
That's a noun.
Pineal gland.
What's the meaning of it?
It's the part of the brain that anybody who meditates tries to achieve.
Oh, neuroplasticity.
Well, not really.
Okay, we'll put the link below.
Doing a lot of
We are. We put the link below. They it's brain food. It helps they make food prep, and then Monday to Friday they have snacks to eat. They will love it. And then actually more important, they learn some vocabulary related to cooking. You remember they can use it in speaking.
That part's good.
Okay, thank you. Right. So then we can maybe share some vocabulary. High level, band 8,
Good night.
band 9 phrases. Then how do we describe this? So now we are mixing them together, and then you're gonna stir them.
Done.
It's done?
Yeah.
Sometimes we'll have them simmer a little bit.
Yeah. I mean, you let it sit. It's on 2 now.
So we'll let it sit there, number 2 now. But you didn't even tell me. When did you change it from number 8 to number 2?
Recently.
Recently, we changed it. So now you are stirring.
Yeah. So it's already kind of thick.
This kind of verb is the thing that examiners want to pick up in their answer. Like you are stirring, right? Let it sit there for a while.
I'm going to stir it a bit and
Yeah,
then I'm
yeah.
going to let it simmer
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
stove top
Yes, something like
until it
that.
reaches a certain consistency that I'm
yes.
pleased with.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's what
So yeah, thank you for the demonstration and the contribution to a Sunday daily lesson, so that tomorrow, I don't need to record a daily lesson.
I got you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is our work copy. So okay, I don't want to go off topic.
You were getting off topic.
Yeah, I'm still on this. So this is how we describe. Maybe
For me right now, it's a little too thick. You see?
Oh.
So
it's a thick. Thick is a high band vocabulary word.
So I'm going to reduce the consistency by adding a little bit of water in the mixing pot that I already have because why dirty something else, right?
Okay. Yes.
And get some of the extra oatmeal off.
Yeah. So when they describe, last time when we tested Emily, there's a question about cooking.
What's that?
Do you like cooking? You asked her.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
That's
Do you
What's
like
that?
cooking?
Emily or Eileen?
Emily, Aline as well. So cooking is a high frequency tested question.
I would think it's pretty common because everybody needs to cook and eat.
Yes.
And it's something that it's better than saying where you're from,
Yes.
what do you do for a living. It's
Yes.
just like, oh, you love to eat? What things do you love to cook?
Yeah. They can say, I love to cook oatmeal.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Yeah, what did we eat for breakfast today? We had scrambled eggs.
and some really good bread.
Yeah, so this is how we cook the oatmeal. And then, so question of the day, I would say maybe we ask them to pick one vocabulary, one phrases they learned from this video, and then make a sentence. Is that a good idea?
I say pineal gland since you were questioning that.
Pineal gland.
With cooking.
I would say like the
Consistency.
Consistent.
Say that word 5 times fast.
Consistency.
Oh, that's good.
Oh yeah. Can you make a sentence of by using consistency?
Can I? Yes, I can.
Yeah, we need one
Oh,
example.
would you like me to?
Yeah, I would love to.
I
Thank
can.
you. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I prefer the consistency of this oatmeal to be not too thick but not too thin.
Oh, because the consistent means that every time we cook oatmeals, they are
Consistency is
consistent.
is like the thickness, right?
Oh, that's a
Consistent
big.
is different.
Oh, okay. Consistency means what?
Thickness, right? Or
Thickness.
thinness.
Thinness.
Basically, what it consists of, like the
Oh,
molecule, the thickness.
consistency. No, that's a great word.
It's a tricky word.
It's so tricky. It's like the
Are you
consistency.
consistent with your job today?
Yeah, I thought you were talking about that one. So now the consistency is about whether that's thicker. We think, oh, they can see my nails. Oh, don't want them to see my nails. Good. This is the nails I just painted. Sorry. So let's get back
Really recording right now?
to the topic. Consistency of. We like the consistency of the porridge, of the soup, or of anything to be neither too thick nor too thin.
Like the story of 3 bears.
Mm.
You never saw the story of the 3 bears? It's a very good nursery song. So the girl runs into, oh God, that wasn't 3 bears, was it? I don't know. She runs into one of the houses and it was, I don't know.
Okay, he's lost.
It's been, no. One of them says, my porridge is too soft, my porridge is too something.
So
I forgot. Something about porridge and consistency.
Okay, anyway, when we describe the porridge or the soup, we use thick, thin, consistency, something like that.
No, my porridge is too hot. My porridge is too cold. My porridge is just right.
Oh, just right is a word. That's all band aid, you know. No, now you know why students cannot get a band aid. They tend to memorize those big words, not this like what is called simple but more natural expression. Okay, maybe if they want to have more this kind of speaking video for next Sunday, they can leave a comment below. Bye. Question is what one word you learned today, and then make a sentence. Thanks for contributing. This is our guest for this Sunday. What's your name?
My name?
Yes.
My name is Ulysses.
Ulysses. Bye.